Thank you, members. And the call is to the member for Moore.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker. There is a significant group of senior citizens living in my electorate of Moore who are upstanding members of society, are financially self-sufficient and active within the local community. Yet they're not yet able to be registered on the electoral roll. I'm referring to the Category 410 visa holders who are seeking a path to permanent Australian residency after a period of more than 10 years living in Australia. As at the 30th of June 2013, there were an estimated 5,572 individuals on 410 visas. Of these, 3,323 were resident onshore and 2,249 resident offshore. In order to qualify for the original visa, applicants were required to provide police clearances, undergo medical health checks, demonstrate that they had the means to be financially self-sufficient in their retirement, and maintain private health insurance cover during the period of their stay. I have met a number of retirees who arrived under this category of visa, in the main self-funded retirees from Commonwealth countries who have not only met the criteria for the visa, but who have purchased a home. Many have immediate family, extended relatives and close friends. Active in the community, they volunteer countless hours with charitable and service organisations such as Lions, Rotary and the Return Services League. After a period of 5 to 10 years living in Australia, these retirees become settled and establish social connections. After integrating into the community, they then face the anxiety of applying for an extension to their visa with the real prospect that the extension may not be granted, and they will face the upheaval of selling their property, saying goodbye to their friends and returning to their countries of origin. I make the case for merit-based migration. Applicants who can demonstrate that they are contributing to the domestic economy, are financially self-sufficient, ought to be given favourable consideration. Similarly, those who are from Commonwealth countries and are well integrated into society and contribute to the nation are worthy candidates. From a government perspective, one of the major considerations is the potential cost to the taxpayer of future retirement benefits, health and aged care costs. However, if these residents are able to demonstrate that they have lived independently in Australia for 10 years, have sufficient assets to support themselves in retirement, and agree to maintain private health insurance, then there is a compelling case for the Australian government to grant them permanent residency if it can be demonstrated to be revenue neutral.